V8 over here. Another car I wouldn't mind putting in the collection. Beautiful car. James Bond. Beautiful car, huh?
It sure is. I wish it was mine.
You don't see too many of these. Clean. GT40. I can never fit one of these. I'm way too tight for me, but it's a beautiful car.
Scrape him.
The bundle of snakes. Beautiful car. Yeah. Be a tight fit for me. I don't think I can get in there.
Well, like I say, I could probably get in, but I'd have one hell of a time getting in.
That's tight. Infamous. It's got the 427 in it too. I'm not sure of the model, but it's very clean. Beautiful car. Really soon on our channel, I will go and talk to the guy Keith. He's the guy who makes these cars, and man, this is Ferris Bueller. If you've seen Ferris Bueller, this is the car. And he said he won the lawsuit. So yeah, I look forward to having this car on the channel and talking with the owner and going for a ride in it. It's a roaster shop build. Super clean. We got those engine covers, make it look old school, but this is all LS.
This came in.
Badass. Something you wouldn't mind driving on a long distance trip. Look at that interior. Beautiful. Yeah. Man, 55 Cadillac. You too. Beautiful car. Traveling in style. Look at that chrome, man. Been in his family since his grandfather. Clean. The white walls on there. This is how you do a road trip, you guys. Look at that. That thing purrs. Thing's purring, man. Yeah. Woo! All right, take care. Beautiful car.
Are you tired of smelling funky? Have you lost your ass? Go to BigKirkNetList.com and get to Nutsack Run.